Hello friends, this video is about how to delete a Quora account permanently. Let's get started. Firstly, what you have to do is simply log into your Quora account on your PC. Once you log in, simply click over the profile icon from the top bar. From the drop-down menu, click on the Settings options. When Settings window opens, what you have to do is simply go over the Privacy option from the left side menu. Now just scroll down and go over the last two options. One is to deactivate your account, and the other is to delete the account permanently. If you want to delete your account permanently, click on this option. Now you have to enter your password here if you have logged in with your own account, but if your Quora is logged in with your Facebook or Google account, then you have to create an account password. For this, simply click on the Create Account Password, and an email will be sent to you. So now open a new tab, and then open up your email inbox. You will receive a message in your email. Here it is. Simply open it up, and then click on the given link to create a new password. Now here you can write your new password. Then write it again to confirm the password, and then click over to reset the password. Now enter your new password here. Then click over Done. A confirmation pop-up will appear. If you really want to delete your account, click Delete. And here, your account is permanently deleted. So, here is the simplest way to delete your account permanently. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.